Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm answering a common question from the comments. Where can I get castor seed? Whether you want them for planting or DIY projects, I will show you how to get them for free and where to buy them if needed. Most people don't know this, but castor seed grows wide in Nigeria, especially along expressway and on unbuilt area. Many see them as just weed, but they are actually full of valuable seeds. This is a castor plant. It produces seed pods that pops open when they are dry, scattering the seed. That is how they keep spreading naturally. If you want castor seed for free, just find this plant, look for dry pods and collect them. Inside, you will find a seed ready to use. Now, if you don't have opportunity to get it for free, or you had rather buy castor seed, there are several places in Nigeria, especially in Lagos, where you can get them. You can check out major agric markets like My 12 Market, Oyingbo Market. These markets are known for selling varieties of agricultural products, including seed. You can also ask local farmers or cooperatives. They often have castor seed available. For those who prefer online shopping, platforms like Jiji and Afrimash.com have sellers offering castor seed in different quantities. Just make sure to verify the seller before purchasing. So, whether you want to get castor seed for free by collecting them from the wild or buy them from markets and online stores, you now know exactly where to look. I hope this helps. If you find this useful, don't forget to like, share and follow for more DIY tips. Drop a comment if you want any more questions, and I will see you in my next video.